Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick rice recipe which is also called as the most comfort food and one of my personal favorite. I usually make this when someone is not keeping well, having fever, cold or is feeling low on energy. This dish doesn't require any curry or side dish. Watch this video till the end to know how easy this rice dish is to make. Here I have already pressure cooked 1.5 cup of rice with 1/4 cup of dal. I have used masoor dal here. You can also use moong dal. Pressure cooked it with a little extra water than normal and I have not added any salt. The texture of the rice is very soft and dal has cooked well but has a little bite in it. Now I am adding little water and mixing it well to adjust the consistency. Adding a little more water and mixing this well. This is what I need. We'll add more water if required later. Next for the spices, I am taking 1/4 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder. You can also add 5 to 8 peppercorns. Since I have small kids at home, I have not added it here. Now add a little water and mix this well. I love doing this for most of my dishes as it avoids burning the spices and also gives a nice color and texture. Do try this method if you haven't tried it and share your feedback below in the comment section. Now this is mixed well. I'm going to keep this aside until required. Moving on to the final preparation. In a vessel, heat ghee or oil. I am making this with ghee as it tastes better than oil. Once the ghee turns hot, add a small piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamom pods, 2 cloves and fry this for few seconds. Now add 1 finely chopped onion and 2 slit green chilies. Fry till the onion turns aromatic and light brown. Once the onion is fried, add 2 large tomatoes. I have finely chopped the tomatoes. Also add 1 teaspoonful of ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste reduces. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is faded, cover and cook the tomatoes until soft on medium flame. Now you can see the tomatoes have cooked and are soft as well. Give a stir. Add salt and the spice paste. Rinse the cup with very little water and add it to the tomatoes. Now mix well and fry for a minute. After a minute, you can see the oil releasing out from the sides, which means the spices have cooked. At this stage, add half cup of plain buttermilk. This adds light tanginess to the dish. Give that a good mix and allow it to cook for another few seconds. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves and also do not forget to add mint leaves as they add great flavor to this dish. I haven't added it since I do not have them in stock. Now it's time to add the cooked rice and dal mix. With all the energy that you have, give this a good mix till the rice and the spice mixture combines well. Once combined well, add 1.5 cups of water to adjust the consistency and also salt as per taste. Now stir well. For me, this is the perfect consistency. If you feel this is a little thick, do add another cup of water. Once done, cook covered for 1 minute on low flame. After a minute, turn off the flame and now the super delicious rice mix is ready to be served. Serve this hot. You can have it plain or along with pickle or with raita. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do consider giving this video a like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another recipe video. Until then, take good care, stay safe, stay blessed. Goodbye.